Hi friends, welcome to Srisai IT Hub. In this video of Core Python Programming, we are going to discuss the following topic: Python string functions, index, isalnum, isalpha, isdecimal. Right. So first of all, what are strings in Python? So string is collection of any characters in Python. So the definition goes like this: collection of characters represented in single quotes or double quotes or triple quotes. For example, hello in single quotes, welcome to Python in double quotes, and then we can also use triple quotes to represent multi-line string. So now coming to string indexes. So for each and every character in a string, we have indexes. So these indexes range from 0 to n minus 1. Example, ss is equals to hello. So the indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which is left to right. And we also have negative indexes from right to left. So which is minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So right to left it is minus 1 to minus 5. And we can use slice operator to access individual characters of a string. Example, ss of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. HELLO, individual elements or characters. Similarly, ss of minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So now coming to index function. So index function, it gives position of a given substring in original string. Okay, right. So next here is all So it checks whether a string has alphabets, at least one alphabet or digits, and returns true or false if it has at least one alphabet or digit. Next is alpha. It checks whether string has only alphabets, at least one alphabet, and returns true or false. And next is decimal. It checks whether all digits are decimal base 10, 0 to 9 digits, and returns true or false. If any one of the particular character is not a digit, it will return false. So let us try to demonstrate this with a small program. Python string functions example 3.py. Right, so first take comments at the beginning of the program. So I'm taking ss hello to users, welcome to Python string. So ss dot index of 2. Okay, right. And similarly ss dot index of the. So we don't have the. So when we don't have the, it will give us value error instead of -1, which is there in find method. Okay, right. Now come to the prompt where you have saved this program and then run it. Example 3. So 2 is available at index 6. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the is not available, we'll get the value error. Substring not found. So next coming to ss dot index 2, 8. So starting from 8th index, where is 2? So 8th index is this 2 is already in 6, 7. 8th index is space. So from space, the next 2 is available at this position. So save it and then run. Okay, let us put, okay, print p. Save it, remove that error. So next 2 is available at index 23. So next one, ss dot index 2, 24, 30. So 24 is O. From O, we don't have 2. So again, you will get the value error. Substring not found. Okay, right. So here 30th index is not included, beginning from 24th index. Let us put comment for this. Okay, next let us go for all num. Okay, so let us see all the cases one by one. So hello 1, 2, 3. So ss dot is all num, alphabets or digits. So the answer is true. So we have alphabets as well as digits. Okay, alphabets or digits. Okay, right. So next, hello is all num. Yes, true, because we have alphabets or digits. Next, we'll take SS123. Okay, right. SS123 answer is true because we have digits, either alphabets or digits. Next, we have SS at the rate, dollar, star, ampersand. Now here we don't have digit or alphabet, so the answer is false. Okay, if you take at least one, okay, 9, I'll take 9 in between, okay, then it gives false, because in this case we should have compulsory alphabet. One alphabet is compulsory, whereas in this case it is not compulsory. Okay, right. So next, coming to hello space 123 at the rate. So we have space or special character. So is all num. It is going to return. Oh, so put comment for the remaining cases, save it, and then run. Answer is false. So space or special characters are there. Though we have alphabets and digits, it returns false. Okay. Okay. Next, coming to is alpha. It will check only for at least one alphabet in a given string. So hello SS is alpha, true. Hello 123 SS dot is alpha, true. SS 123 SS dot is alpha, false. Right. So okay, put proper comment for the remaining cases. Okay. Right, so save it and run it. So true, false, false. Okay. Right. So here it will check for all alphabets. Yeah. In the second case, is alpha, it has only alphabets, then it will. Okay. And in the first case, alphabet or digits. Right. So next case, okay, at the rate 1. So digit is there, but alphabet is not there. Okay. So it is going to return false. Next, last case. Okay. SS hello space 123 at the rate. So here we have HELLO alphabets. So though we have alphabets, we have space or special character. That's why false in both the cases. Same like previous one. Okay. Right. In this case, at least one alphabet is required. Okay. I'll write here. At least one alphabet is required to return true. Next is decimal, the fourth function. Okay. Right. So SS hello is decimal, false. So are those base 10 0 to 9 decimal numbers? No. SS 123, yes. Is decimal, true. SS 123.45 is decimal, false. SS at the rate hash ampersand is decimal, false. So true, true, and false, false. Yeah. False, true, false, false. In the first case, it is false because we have hello. So this is how we are supposed to work with string functions. Index, is all num, is alpha or alphabet, is decimal, base 10 digits 0 to 9. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, comment, and share this video, and also subscribe to the YouTube channel Sri Sai IT Hub. Have a nice day.